Hi, this is Yoga, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchitram. Today's topic is about Prim's algorithm. Before we are going to Prim's algorithm, we have to know something about minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree is one with minimum weight. That is, a weighted graph can be taken for the minimum spanning tree. A spanning tree is nothing but a graph without loops and edges, loops and cycles. We have given a weighted undirected graph. If we want to find the subtree of the graph which connect all the vertices and has at least weights, all the least weights of all possible spanning trees. This spanning tree is said to be a minimum spanning tree. The minimum spanning tree has total of v minus 1 edges, where v is the number of vertices. Here we have 6 vertex and the weighted edges have been given here. We are going to draw a spanning tree for the weighted graph, and we have taken all the edges. Specifically, first one is taken as a vertex, and minimum edge for one is 1, and the 1 and 4 is connected, and then other is 2 minimum edge, so 1 and 2 is connected. Next, the minimum edges here is 3. Though 1 and 4 is already connected, we don't need to connect 2 and 4, so we are going to connect 3, 2 and 3 as a vertex edge. Next, we have 5 and 6 which is yet to be connected, so we are finding out the minimum edge connected here. For 5, we have to connect to the 1, that will be minimum. Next, for 6, we are going to connect with 2, which is a minimum. Though we have found the minimum spanning tree using this algorithm. We have specific properties for minimum spanning tree. All minimum spanning tree of graph is unique. The weight of all the edges are distinct. There may be multiple minimum spanning trees if there is a similar kind of edges found. Minimum spanning tree is also a tree with minimum product of weights of edges. Here, it can be easily proved by replacing weights of all the edges with their logarithms. In a minimum spanning tree, maximum weight of an edge is the minimum possible for all possible spanning trees of the graph. It follows from Kruskal algorithm. Maximum spanning tree of the graph can be obtained similarly to the minimum spanning tree by changing the sign of the weights of all the edges to their opposite and then applying any of the minimum spanning tree algorithms. Now we are going to see Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm is a greedy algorithm. It is used to find minimum spanning tree from a graph. Prim's algorithm finds the subsets of all the edges. First we have to find subsets of all the edges and then include every vertex of the graph such that sum of weights of the edges can be minimized. There should be a minimum shortest path. It is one of the shortest path algorithm. So the edges should be minimized. Prim's algorithm also starts with single node and explores all the adjacent node with all the connective edges at every step. Edges with the minimal weight causing no cycle in the graph got selected. There should be no cycle. Though it is a tree, the cycle is not allowed here. Example of Prim's algorithm is given. We are going to see here is we have 5 vertices and 6 edges here. We have to find minimum spanning tree for those edges. Let us assign first step of a Prim's algorithm. First we have to choose a vertex from the graph. Let us select B as one of the graph. We can select any of the vertex. We are going to select now B. We have a minimum direction or minimum distance traveled here is B to D. So we are selecting and connecting B to D as a minimum first. And it is said to be the minimum spanning tree for B and T. Among the edge, BD has the minimum height. So we have selected the B and T. Next we are going to select D. From D, there three adjacent vertex B, C and E. We have already connected with B. So we are going to consider C and E. Here E is minimum. So we are going to connect B, D and E. So we are connecting B, D and E. Though E has a minimum spanning tree vertex, that is 1. Next we are going to take again D. Though D has another minimum vertex, minimum distance C. So we are selecting D2. We are connecting D to C. Though we have D, B, D, E and D, C. We have not yet completed all the vertex. We have one more vertex still yet to be connected, that is A. We have only one adjacent vertex to A, that is C. So we are connecting A and C to the vertex. So the graph produces in step 5 is the minimum spanning tree. This step 5, though all the vertices are covered and all the vertices are connected, there is no components here. The cost of minimum spanning tree has been calculated here, and it is said to be 10 units. There is no minimum other than this spanning tree. So we are going to see some algorithms. See this Prim's algorithm stepwise. We are going to select a starting vertex, that can be any vertex we can select. Step 2, we have to repeat the step 3 and step 4 until there are fringe vertices, yes. And next we are going to select the edge connected to the tree vertex and the range vertex that has a minimum width. And step 4, add the selected edge and the vertex to the minimum spanning tree T. Though we can repeat the step till the all the vertices have been covered. If the vertices ends, we can stop the program and calculate the minimum spanning tree. Thank you.